to 1053, so 1553 today, 1553. So that's obviously this big surge of volume here. And it was at 117.09. So that big surge of volume right there must have been that trade coming through. This was done on the dark pools. So obviously somebody's obviously done the trade at that point. They've done the bit of business there. But there was $140 million of trade taking place there. 140 million. Now obviously the initial market maker reaction to that was bearish. See how it drops initially? On the basis that it drops initially, my first thinking is that this is probably a sell at higher prices. So I could work into that sell into higher prices and see if I could get maybe a little bit of business up here. And obviously if you took the sell, just like we saw in that PNC trade, if you took a sell on that one, you've made some money. Same as that PNC. Remember we said that was the initial market maker reaction, was selling. Well, this means that this could be the trade here for you to do business with. If the initial reaction is buying, you know what the trade is likely to be, don't you? Somebody's just done $113 million on EFA, ticker symbol EFA. Let's have a look at that one. The price was $75.46. $75.46. It was at 10.58. Well, that's interesting. 10.58. You can see that the price is below the 10.58 price. So that actually looks bearish, doesn't it? I know the price is above that, but that's the point. Because the price is above that, that now looks bearish. So as a trader, I can now mark that area there and say, well, you know what? This could be an interesting trade idea for us going forward. So we could start watching this trade narrative in here. 251, 501, and 502. Yep. That's exactly right, because they're usually going to be closing prices on the previous day, Jason, on the SPY prints. They will always be 251,000, 252,000, 502,000, 501 million, sorry, $502 million. They are closing prices on the they're closing prices in S&P. Usually you'll find that the price that's quoted for those is yesterday's settlement price. You see that? If you have a look at it, you'll see that the vast majority of those large prints of a 251 million, 501 million or whatever, they are going to be yesterday's settlement closing prices on the block trades.